The silhouette convectors found in the SL series are virtual heating wonders, which is why I'm talking to you about them. But to begin with, the first thing that catches the eye is that these units look great. From a design perspective, they're so striking that they're practically a decorative object in themselves. Their rounded angles provide refined, contemporary lines that harmonize with a wide variety of decor. What we have here is a very interesting design concept coupled with impeccable quality, fit, and finish. These heating units have no visible plastic parts. Every component is made of epoxy powdered painted metal. This gives them a truly luxurious look. But other than their great looks, we ask, are these units efficient? Well, I've looked into this question. In actual fact, a convector is more efficient than a traditional baseboard unit. The home comfort it offers stems from the fact that, contrary to baseboard heating, a convector is designed vertically. When the unit begins to heat, it naturally produces a chimney effect, so the airflow is quicker and the room heats up much more efficiently. It's also interesting to know that silhouette units can be installed just about anywhere and that they operate by convection. Convection heating equals silence, which is critical in areas like a bedroom, for example. In addition, silhouette convectors come with a highly accurate electronic thermostat, which can be integrated into the unit or simply mounted on a wall. These thermostats are extremely accurate and easy to use, and no programming is required. For example, in case of a power failure, you don't have to reprogram the unit. In fact, what you need to know is that an electronic thermostat provides a constant and very accurate reading of room temperature. As soon as the temperature fluctuates by a mere tenth of a degree, it reacts immediately by either switching the current off or on. The thermostat reacts as needed to precisely maintain the temperature you've chosen. We call this time proportional technology. That is, a technology that allows to precisely determine the amount of current required to maintain room temperature. The beauty of this technology is that these units consume only a minimum amount of electricity. The bottom line is that the savings made are really worthwhile. There's practically no difference between wall-mounted and integrated thermostats. They're both equally accurate. However, it's good to know that the integrated thermostat is located behind the unit, that it has a sensor right here at the air intake. This electronic sensor reads the temperature of the air coming from the middle of the room. This means that you can install the unit on an outside-facing wall and yet be sure that the sensor will always read the exact temperature of the room without being affected by the cold wall. When we compare it to an integrated thermostat, the wall-mounted version is usually located at shoulder level and is therefore easier to access. Thus, if the thermostat were to break down after years of use, it would be easier to replace it rather than send the entire unit out for repair because of a defective thermostat. However, installing a thermostat on the wall requires more wiring and more installation time. It's a matter of choice. Now, let's talk about the different models. The capacity of the silhouette models varies between 500 and 2,000 watts, depending on which one you choose. Notice that the more watts you have, the bigger the unit is. In all, the SIL series offers a selection of more than 80 models, varying from horizontal to more vertical styles. In any case, you can't say there isn't an abundance of choice. There's a model for practically every need. Just to give you a simple example, the longer models are designed to fit in the space provided at the bottom of windows, while the more vertical ones can be easily installed at the end of a counter or near a patio door. So it's much easier to accommodate a space with a convector unit than with a traditional baseboard heater. In passing, I'd like to mention that all models are available in classic white, but also in almond, a color that blends in well with the new trends in interior design. In addition, this convector's outer shell is coated with polyester epoxy powder that is baked on. This process provides a refined, durable, resistant finish that protects the unit against rust. To choose a suitable model, I suggest you go visit Stelpro's website. Information updates are made on a regular basis. You'll also find all the product warranty information you need. Plus, thanks to the new heat calculator software available on the site, you can precisely calculate the capacity of the model best suited to the room you want to heat. To properly install a silhouette convector, I recommend that you get help from a qualified electrician. He'll know how to provide you with a professional, safe installation. If you don't know a qualified electrician, contact your local Master Electrician Association. That's it. For more information on the Silhouette Series convectors, feel free to contact the people at Stelpro via their website or simply dial
1-866-628-5776.